Yeah, so two things going on in this tutorial. First, we're going to just have a quick look on how the mask will look like if we apply the smooth operation to the whole mesh. So we go to the object mode of selected mesh, and we apply the smooth operator, which is going to smooth and add more vertices to the whole effect. And we gained a lot of holes because this mesh was not one mesh. It was like similar meshes that are just placed next to each other. That's why it kind of broke. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo this change and let's go. And then increasing the intensity up a bit. Let's turn on the shadows. We don't see the shadows now because the ambient light in the scene is too bright. So let's decrease the intensity of the ambient light. Yeah. And we should be seeing the shadow. Yeah, that we are. So obviously the more heroic lighting in movies is always from the top. So let's make this top light. And let's make it a bit more intensive. Always we can just decrease the shadow's intensity if we want. And yeah, the flare is not going to give us anything. So let's work on the ambient occlusion. Let's increase the intensity. It's not helping too much. Maybe when we change the radius to, let's say, 5, and then increase the intensity. Okay, it's too big of a radius. Set it to 3. Yeah, it's giving this nicer look to it. And one of the most important part is to make the background look more dramatic, like a red color. Actually, it's a special red somewhere here, I think. And I think this gives us the mask we've been looking for. And let's spin it. Here's the mask. There's nothing from behind, of course, because there are no polygons, which is okay. Yeah, this shot shows us. Okay,